Are you unstable? Always prone to falling over? And that results in you staying seated for multiple days at a time? Well, that could just be because you're lacking balance. Here, you will learn to use 2 legs to keep you upright and vertical. I will now go through the 5-step program to get you balancing on 2 legs. Step 1. Make sure that you have been gifted with 2 legs. Thankfully, I have 2 legs here, so we can move on to step 2. Step 2. Move both of your legs without the aid of your arms. Thankfully, I can move both of my legs, so we can move on to step 4. Step 4. Go back to step 3 because you missed a step. Step 3. Stand up to a vertical position. Once you are standing, please move on to step 5, as step 4 will send you straight back to step 3, and that will be a very long day for you. I am standing up. Step 5. Stay standing up. You can do this by using balance. Thanks to the 5-step program, you should now be balancing on 2 legs like a professional. If you are still unable to balance correctly, then please check the troubleshoot guide as follows.
Number 1. Check that you are not asleep. If you are asleep, then there is a good chance that you are not balancing on 2 legs. Try balancing on 2 legs once you have woken up. Number 2. Check that you are not drunk. It is best to try standing on 2 legs when you are sober, as being drunk can affect your balance. Number 3. Check that you are not dead. Being dead can greatly affect your balance, and so I would recommend trying it only when you are alive.
And that completes the tutorial on how to balance on 2 legs. Thanks to the 5-step tutorial, I can successfully balance on 2 legs for 3.8 seconds without falling over. I'll just show you how my progress has come along. Steady. Steady. Not bad, eh? I'm hoping to one day make it to 5 seconds, so I'm going to continue practicing now and try and achieve that. See you. Oh, I can do better than that, as you've already seen. Try again. No, I think my legs are a bit tired. Just gonna rest for a while, and then just wait for the video to come to an end, and then I'll try again off camera. It's a lot more pressure when it's on camera, so see you later. Need to end the footage so I can practice. Still recording. Oh dear. could you end the footage, please? I'm sure the people have got things to do, so I'm wasting everyone's time. Can you end it? I'm just going to go off screen. That'll be a bit easier.